When it comes to expressing exceptions and contradictions in English using the simple present tense, there are some keywords and phrases that can really make your communication stand out. Words like except, apart from, as well as, and in addition to can help you highlight differences or exceptions in a clear and concise way. For example, you can say, everyone loves pizza, except for Sarah, who prefers pasta. To add a touch of surprise or unexpectedness to your statements, try using words like surprisingly or unexpectedly. For instance, surprisingly, the usually quiet student spoke up in class today. These words can create intrigue and keep your audience engaged. When you want to introduce a contrasting idea, phrases like on the other hand and nevertheless can be very effective. For example, she is usually shy. Nevertheless, she gave a confident presentation. By mastering these words and phrases, you can enhance your English communication skills and make your statements more dynamic and engaging. So, next time you want to express exceptions or contradictions, remember to use these powerful tools to make your message clear and impactful.